Hello from the Bureau of Meteorology. Today is Friday and that means one thing. It is time to check out the weather forecast for the weekend across the country with mostly settled conditions for the eastern states under the influence of these high pressure areas. At the same time though, this low here will contribute to a wide region of showers and storms over the interior, affecting parts of the Northern Territory, South Australia and Western Australia. To the state-by-state breakdown, another hot day for Queensland, temperatures into the mid-40s for some inland areas, uncomfortable weather up north because the humidity is riding very high at the moment as well. A near dry day statewide on Saturday, but a few showers around the southeast, including the possibility of storms or even severe thunderstorms for inland parts of the Sunshine Coast and the Wide Bay, at the moment looking to stay away from those coastal urban centres. Down to New South Wales, and after some very hot days this week, it's a much more mild day on Saturday along the coast with onshore winds. Temperatures anywhere from 5 to 12 degrees cooler than what they've been for the last few days. That wind will also bring a few showers, particularly through the morning for the coast, drying to a bright and mostly sunny afternoon. Inland areas have settled and clear weather with temperatures near average. A fine but slightly cool day across Victoria on Saturday. Very little wind pretty much anywhere. Temperatures will range from the mid-20s in the north, Shepparton topping out at 26, down to around 16 degrees in the south for Wilson's Prom. So it's mostly pleasant spring weather. Just maybe take that extra layer if you are spending significant time outdoors or headed out for a hike. A gusty day of winds on Saturday for Tasmania. It's a westerly wind. That means starting over here and blowing this way across the map. That will bring a few showers to the western side of the state and to the mountains as well. Mostly cloudy skies for eastern areas, but a dry day is forecast for Hobart with a high of 18. 1 or 2 light showers possible in the north. Significant storm activity to develop in the northwest of South Australia during the weekend. That could bring anywhere from 30 to 80 millimetres of rain across the course of the weekend. Other areas won't see that much rainfall, but cloudy skies and a few showers in the southwest and for central districts as well. Anyone who lives east of the Eyre Peninsula, including around Adelaide, likely to have cloudy skies with very little, if any, rainfall through the course of the next couple of days. The cloud cover will contribute to below average temperatures across the state. Showers and storms also anticipated for inland parts of Western Australia, and at times the south coast could see some of that weather as well. Generally dry and quite mild conditions across the southwest, including Perth with a high of 25, and as you go further north, that warm and humid weather continues around the Pilbara. Hot, sticky, muggy weather again for parts of the Northern Territory and around the Kimberley on Saturday, and only a slight chance of any showers to help cool things off, so likely to stay warm and humid throughout the whole day. A bit of a shift in the weather down in the far south of this map though, the southwestern corner of the NT seeing some of those showers and storms, including potentially around Uluru. And we'll take a look at Sunday as well, because we are talking the weekend. More storms for the red centre of the country across parts of NT, SA, WA once again. We could also see the onset of another outbreak of stormy weather through parts of Queensland. At this stage, it's looking most likely to be inland parts of the southeast, which means it will probably be avoiding Brisbane, but that is certainly an area to watch as we get closer. Cool but generally settled, pleasant spring weather across the rest of southern Australia, and mostly sunny but continuing to be very hot and sticky across the tropical north. That's all from me for today. You know where to go to get more information. The website and the app have got you covered. Thanks for watching and have a great weekend.